morning students. Today we are going to learn about shift register. Okay, already we have studied serial in, serial out, shift register. Now we are going to see serial in, parallel out, parallel in, serial out, and parallel in, parallel out. Okay. So this is the circuit for serial in, parallel out. Okay. This is 4-bit shift register. So I have 4 flip-flops. Here I am entering the input in serial, getting the output from the register in parallel. QA, QB, QC and QD are outputs. Okay. In this, the output of first flip-flop is connected to the input of second flip-flop. The output of the second flip-flop is connected to the input of third flip-flop. The output of third flip-flop is connected to the input of fourth flip-flop. Okay. Clock is applied to all the flip-flops. Okay. By using clear, you can clear the all the flip-flops. Okay. First, by using clear, we are clearing the all the flip-flops. So the content of register is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now I am applying the data binary value 1. After applying the clock pulse, we will get 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Next I am entering the value 1. Now I am applying the clock pulse. Okay. So on the second clock pulse, we will get 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Next I am applying the data 0. Now I am applying clock. So on the third clock pulse, you will get 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Next I am applying the data 1. Now I am getting 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So for each clock pulse, I am applying one value. Previous value is shifted to the next flip-flop. Okay. Here I am using D flip-flop. If D is equal to 0, then Q is 0. If D is equal to 1, then Q is equal to 1. Okay. So first, by using clear input, I am clearing all the flip-flops. So the content of register is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. When you apply the first value through serial data N, you will get 1 here. Here this value is shifted to QB. QB value is shifted to QC. QC value is shifted to QD. So 1, 0, 0, 0. After applying the first clock pulse. Okay. Next I am applying the value again 1. Okay. Now I am applying clock also. So on the second clock pulse, you will get 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Previously we have 1, 0, 0, 0. This one is shifted to here. 0 is shifted to here. 0 is shifted to here. So you will get 1, 1, 0, 0. In this way, serial data will be converted into parallel. Okay. So on the fourth clock pulse, you will get the data 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So this is the serial in, parallel out, shift registers working. Okay. Next, parallel in, serial out. Okay. So this is the circuit for 3-bit parallel in, serial out, shift register. Okay. So here we have 3 flip-flops. Here by using preset enable, we are setting the flip-flops. Okay. Here we have circle, here also circle. So this will act as AND gate. NAND gate, then again we have inverter. Okay, for example, here we are entering the data in parallel, getting the data from the register in serial, hence it is called parallel in serial out. Here you set preset enable is equal to 1. When you apply 0 to this input, you will get 0. Q2 is equal to 0. In the same way, if you apply 1 here, already preset enable is 1, 1.1 is 1. So Q1 is equal to 1. If you apply 0 to this input, here 1.0 is equal to 0. So 0, 1, 0. Now parallel, after loading the data, the content of register is 0, 1, 0. Okay. So now I am applying the clock pulse. Okay. So this Q2 value is shifted to Q1. Q1 value is shifted to Q0. Okay. So in the beginning you will get the first value. Here I am loading the 0, 1, 0. So initially we have here 0. After applying the first clock pulse, this Q1 value is shifted to Q0. Now I am getting the second binary value 1. Next I am applying the clock pulse. On the second clock pulse I am getting the value Q2 in the serial output. Okay. So now I am loading the data 0, 1, 0. Okay. When you apply 0, Q2 will be 0. When you apply 1 to this input, we will get the output Q1 is equal to 1. When you apply 0 to this input, you will get the Q0 is equal to 0. Okay. 0, 1, 0. Now I am applying the clock pulse. This Q2 value is shifted to Q1. Q1 value is shifted to Q0. Already 1 in the Q1. So now I am getting the 1 in the Q0. Okay. On the second clock pulse, Q1 value is shifted to Q0. Already 0 in the Q1. This value is shifted to Q0, that is serial output. So now I am getting the third value 0. Okay. So this is parallel in serial out. Okay, we are entering the data in parallel, taking the output in serial. Okay. Next, parallel in parallel out. So we are applying the data in parallel, getting the data from the register also in parallel. Okay. So this is the circuit for parallel in parallel out shift register. Here clock is common to all the flip-flops. PA, PB, PC, PD are parallel inputs. QA, QB, QC and QD are parallel outputs. Okay. So if D is equal to 0, Q is equal to 0. If D is equal to 1, Q is equal to 1. Okay. So now I am applying the 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So when you apply the clock pulse, you will get 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. In one clock pulse, you can get the 4-bit values in the output. Okay. We are applying the data in parallel and receiving the output also in parallel. Okay. So here I am applying the data in parallel, getting the data also in parallel. QA, QB, QC and QD are outputs. PA, PB, PC and PD are inputs. Okay. Okay, thank you.